Hey guys! Today I'm going to share with you the 5 types of texts that men often think are cool, but in reality, they make women want to block you immediately. I surveyed over 200 women, and the results were truly surprising. If you've ever wondered why your messages get left on seen, or why replies come super slow, this video is your answer. And most importantly, at the end of the video, I'll reveal a secret that will make your texts get top priority in her inbox. Ready? Number 1. The fake alpha male text. The first type is the fake alpha male text. Guys often think lines like, "Text me if you have time, if not then don't," or "I don't need people to talk to anyway," will create scarcity and make her more interested. But what's the reality? According to my survey, 89% of women said these texts made them feel threatened and annoyed. Instead of seeing you as alpha, they see you as insecure, hiding behind a cold attitude. Instead, show true confidence by being genuine, showing care, and adding value to the conversation. And there are still 4 more types of texts you might be sending without even realizing it. Number 2. The over-the-top compliment text. The second type is giving excessive compliments right away. Lines like, "You're as beautiful as an angel," "I've never seen anyone as gorgeous as you," or "You're the most perfect woman I've ever met." Sounds sweet, right? But here's the truth. 76% of women said they don't feel these compliments are sincere. They feel like copy-paste messages that could be sent to dozens of other women. And worse, they show you only care about her looks instead of her personality. The key is this. Instead of complimenting her appearance, notice the things she shares, her hobbies, or her achievements. For example, "I saw your post about your trip to Jalat. You must really love exploring, huh?" Women value men who listen and pay attention to details, but that's still not the most damaging mistake. Number 3. The straightforward but clumsy text. This is the type of text where guys think they're being direct, but it actually comes across as clumsy and awkward. For example, "Do you have a boyfriend?" or "I want to date you," or "Do you like me?" right in the first few messages. 82% of women said this makes them feel pressured and uncomfortable, like they're being interrogated. They want time to get to know you naturally, not feel like they're answering job interview questions. Instead, start with conversations about hobbies, work, or fun experiences. Let the connection grow naturally instead of forcing it. Hey, if this video is helping you out, don't forget to hit like to support me. And make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more dating tips. Now let's move on to the last 2 types of text. Number 4. The drama queen text. The fourth type is overly dramatic and negative texts. Things like, "I'm so sad," "My life is a mess," "Nobody understands me," or "You're the only light in my life." Many guys think sharing emotions will build a deep connection. But the harsh reality is that 91% of women feel this is just emotional dumping. They don't want to become a free therapist for someone they don't even know well yet. Women prefer men who are positive, bring good energy, and know how to manage their own emotions. Instead of complaining, share something uplifting. Maybe fun plans, a recent achievement, or something exciting in your day. And now for the final type of text, the biggest crime of all. Number 5. The nice guy, but boring text. The last one is the nice guy text that's painfully boring. Things like, "Hi, have you eaten? Are you asleep yet? Good night." Sure, it sounds polite and kind, right? But here's the problem. These messages are too generic and create zero emotion. 78% of women said they receive identical texts from dozens of men every single day. The solution is that instead of asking, "Have you eaten?" try, "I just tried a new pasta dish at X restaurant, and it was amazing. Do you have a favorite dish you can't live without?" This creates a topic to talk about and shows you live an interesting life. Research shows that generic texts have only a 12% reply rate, while personalized messages jump up to 67%. So how should you text properly? After avoiding these 5 toxic types of texts, you need a strategy that actually works. The formula I tested and found to be the most effective is something I call the 3C formula. The first C stands for curious. Ask interesting questions that spark curiosity instead of boring small talk. The second C is care. Show genuine attention to what she shares, proving that you actually listen and value her words. The final C is creative. Bring a fresh perspective to the conversation or introduce fun, unique topics that keep her engaged. When you combine these three elements, your texts naturally stand out and create conversations that feel exciting instead of routine. This leads to a much deeper and more engaging conversation. So there you have it, the 5 types of texts that men should avoid at all costs if you don't want women to secretly hate you. Remember, show true confidence, give meaningful compliments, let things flow naturally, be positive instead of dramatic, and stay creative instead of boring. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever made one of these texting mistakes yourself? Or do you know another type of disaster text that I didn't mention? Share your thoughts in the comments so we can all learn from each other. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my upcoming dating tips. In the next video, I'll share She Left You on Scene. Here's how I got her to text me first. Real psychological strategies I tested myself. You don't want to miss it. See you there.